What's going on, guys? It's Jay from Dirty Boy Tools. Just got a couple of new small tools, so I wanted to unbox them and show you guys what I got. So this first tool, it didn't come in a box, it came in a little plastic baggie, so I didn't think there was a point to showing that. This is a Press-A-Cycle Fix-It Sticks bit kit. So Fix-It Sticks, commonly used with gun tools, very portable. And you can manipulate this tool in different ways to get what you need. So you can take these two drivers, double-edged drivers, and you can combine it into a nice little T driver. Get a little bit extra torque. There's a magnet on each side of these holes, and of course both ends hold bits. Comes with Phillips flathead bits. Comes with a nice comfortable rubber case holding some Torx, some hex bits, and then a big Torx bits on this side. So I'm looking to get this so I can have some type of EDC bit kit, pocket bit kit to carry around that also allows me to have some extra torque when I need it. So let's go to this one next. This is the 6-inch lobster wrench. It's got a lobster on it, so you know it's going to grab on the bolts very tightly. Grab on the nuts very tightly. It shouldn't be any problem. It has the patented X-Drive technology. Where is it? Yes, X-Drive. Sorry, my Japanese isn't that great. I'm not too sure what these letters say. But it has an X-Drive system in it. Let's get it open for you guys. And as you can see here, rounded there, rounded there. A good wrench, a good socket will grab onto the edges and not the corners. That's the intention of making these rounded holes here. This is a very new design to me for a wrench. It looks like an incredible design. It feels very lightweight. This is incredibly light, especially compared to my Crescent adjustable. So well made. They clearly took out the holes here to lessen the weight of it, and I ordered one with the rubber handle because I don't like grabbing chrome. I don't mind like the blacked out metal like this, but I don't really like grabbing chrome like that. This is the UM24XD model. I am currently trying the Baco wrench, but I'm very curious. Oh, this is nice. That's not bad. I'm very curious to see how this wrench does. So I'll be trying this out probably in the next month. The last tool is the Observer 1/4-inch dual flex ratchet. It's got a swivel head ratchet. I'm a huge fan of swivel head ratchets for what I do, and it also turns into a T-bar. Rust resistant, impact resistant. Comes with a hex adapter. Very nice. Let's see. Alright. Let's check this out. Very compact. Pocket size. It's thinner than I thought it would be. I thought this would be a very thick piece, but this is nice and thin. Similar to the Weir Cyclops, but you know, a little cheaper. Ooh. This is nice. I think I could really make some good use of this. This is by Observer Tools. I can't wait to try this out. I mean, I've been working with the Vim and Press-A-Cycle ratchets. These ones here. So they have pass-through function and everything, so I can use it as a T-bar and, you know, ratchet it. But this, I don't know, I could really do a lot with this. I'm going to test this out and see how it goes and let you guys know. But this is by Observer Tools. The wrench is by Lobster, and the bit kit is by Press-A-Cycle. I believe they combine with Fix-It Sticks. So let me know what you guys think about these tools, or if you have any other suggestions for smaller pocket EDC tools because I'm looking to carry some more smaller tools with me depending on where I go.